open database. There's a one table comparison card. Open that comparison card database.
Where is that?
There's a database. In database, go to tables. In tables, there is comparison card.
It is loading. Wait. Database.
Comparison card.
Comparison card. No.
It is there
okay, okay.
just below the toolbox. Open it.
Tables, right?
Tables. There is a card inventory. Table name is inventory something.
In tables, next.
There is one table something inventory. Scroll right side so that you can see the complete table name. Okay, so there is one table. This one. dbo.tbl._comparison card_inventory. Run a select query here. Any query like select a string from this table.
Where is that? This one?
It's just about to mapping business channel.
Mapping.
Scroll down. Just above to it. Inventory. Yeah. So run a query on this table. Select a string from on this table.
It is stuck, I think.
So basically what you have to do, Sunil, in this table there would be one entry called member program. Okay. In UiPath we are already getting the value from the web application. That value needs to be stored to this table.
Here in this database we have one column, right? That is?
Yes. Member program. So from UiPath you need to save the value to this column using API. Got it?
डेटाबेस में डेटा यूएपाथ में समझ नहीं
UiPath से एक वैल्यू को डेटाबेस में सेव करना है API की मदद से.
By using APIs we have to upload the data in database.
Right.
Okay.
For reference how to do that, you can use, there is one for is activity added. There is a one flag. Okay, in this table there is one column is activity added.
Okay.
So we are doing the same thing there also. We are getting the value from the UiPath and saving it to the database.
Okay. It is not opening, right? Where I wanted to store that data in this database. It is not
opening. Click on new query. Click on new query. There is an option of new query.
No, it is tracking.
You clicked on new query.
No, it is tracking actually. Cursor is not working. It is rotating.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Atul.
Yeah, go to the new query. Click on new query.
Where is it?
Just on the top ribbon, there is a new query button. You have done, you know SQL, right?
Actually, in 2-3 years back, I did. Yeah.
So basically, in this we need to update stored procedure. So will you be able to do it or not?
I wanted to recollect all things.
Because if you are able to, then only it's better to discuss this thing. Otherwise, you can take only some things, some story relevant to UiPath only, not related to this.
Okay.
Because in this story, you have to work on API. You have to work on dashboard code, .NET code. You have to work on database as well as UiPath.
Okay, we have to change. We have to change new story.
That's I'm asking you. If you are comfortable with all of this, then you continue with this story. Otherwise, my suggestion would be to connect with Supriya or someone or ask her that in this story I need to work on .NET and database as well. But currently I'm familiar with UiPath only, so it's better to give me a UiPath story. For the same, you can also check with Rakesh that which story I need to pick.
Okay, it is actually in my previously from last to I work only UiPath only, not in SQL.
That's I understand, that's not a problem. That's why I'm saying, do one thing, just connect with Rakesh once, okay?
Now?
And ask him that, now only.
Okay.
Ask him now that in this story, as I see, I need to work on database as well as API. But currently, I'm not okay with this. So what I'm thinking to work on the story that is completely on UiPath. So which story I need to pick in, and that you can ask Supriya or Rakesh or one.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, Rakesh.
Haji.
Actually, in this user story, we have .NET and SQL, right? APIs.
Yes.
Previously, 2 years back, I did SQL. I wanted to recollect all things, so you can change the user story.
Okay, so you are not comfortable with these .NET and API as of now?
Yeah.
Okay. So in
Only you
that
can give
case,
UI path.
okay,
Only
you can give us the UI path only, yeah?
yes.
Okay. Actually, then Atul, we have to think
Hanji.
about it because we are moreover working on the phase 2 as well for that sonar purpose. So I know
Right.
you will be spending much time there. So we can discuss this point in the evening call.
Okay.
And anyhow, because this is the project where we are working with .NET and SQL as well, but most of the projects that will not be the case. So 90% chances are we will be getting the UiPath work, but sometimes depending on the projects,
Okay.
we have to work for .NET as well.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so but in this case, Atul, you already dropped an email to this Nitish, right? So we can't do much anything because until we are not able to run those scripts and have the updated results on portal. So
नितेश जी का रिप्लाई तो आया एक.
अच्छा आया है रिप्लाई. क्या लिख दिया उन्होंने? अरे मेरे पास तो नहीं आया फिर रिप्लाई अभी. आई थिंक उन्होंने कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं. अच्छा अभी अभी आया. ठीक है देखा. अभी भी आया है. I think it's giving error because code still have critical issues. Please check on. अच्छा ठीक है, वो ये कहना चाह रहे हैं कि शायद वो कोड ने एरर दिया है लेकिन पोर्टल अपडेट हो गया होगा, वो ये कहना चाह रहे हैं. तो आप पोर्टल पे लॉगिन करके देखो एक बार कि वहां पर आपको ब्लॉकर में और क्रिटिकल में कितने इश्यूज दिख रहे हैं. तो अब उनको रिजॉल्व करना स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो इट मीन्स कि अभी हम Sunil,
Yeah.
so this time like we are in a situation where we have to avoid phase 3 because our main focus is on the phase 2 because that is the near deployment date.
Okay.
So as you are not comfortable, what I can say, please just spare some time with .NET and SQL if you can recall them meanwhile. So in the evening call we will update
Okay.
that Atul, me and Naim actually already working with the phase 2 stories, so he will be available by tomorrow only. But the priority is of phase 2. So we also, you can say, are some kind of involved in the phase 2 issues. So sorry for that, we can't help you as of now. So maybe we will update in the evening call.
Okay.
After phase 2, when the phase 2 is smooth, everything is resolved, so then only we can help you.
Okay. Phase 3.
Yeah, then we can start working on the phase 3. Then at that time, maybe Atul, Naim, me, whosoever available will help you.
Sure.
So this time, this is not the case that we can let you know, because although this is not a big change, this is very small. We can do it at our own as well. So whatsoever task you can do in UiPath, you please keep continue yourself until you are not requiring our help. You can continue wherever you need our help.
Okay, I will.
So that will be.
Okay, I will reach out Atul and Rakesh.
No. What I am saying, because for today and tomorrow, Atul will not available with you due to phase 2 issues.
Okay.
So after you can say date today is 29.
Yeah.
More probably 30 and 31.
Tomorrow.
Atul will not be available.
Okay.
So from 1st onwards only Atul will be available to help you.
Okay.
So because phase 3 is not much priority for us as of now, because we have to cover the phase 2. So maybe you can, meanwhile you can take your time and give a refresh yourself for these sequels and whatever you think will be requiring. So give a refresh yourself. Meanwhile.
कब से स्टार्ट करना ये
phase 3?
No, this one.
phase 2?
Yeah.
तो phase 2 तो priority है. phase 2 तो हमने जो डेवलपमेंट जो डेट दी हुई है ना, वो हमने 1 अप्रैल दी हुई है कि 1 अप्रैल तक हम अपना सब कुछ खत्म कर देंगे.
हाँ, मई कब से स्टार्ट करना? मई
नहीं, मैं समझा नहीं.
मई कब से स्टार्ट करना ये वर्क, ये टास्क का, ये यूजर स्टोरी?
हाँ, तो यूजर स्टोरी तो आपको आज से ही स्टार्ट करना था, लेकिन क्योंकि आपकी डिपेंडेंसी है, आपको जरूरत पड़ेगी हमारी, डॉट नेट के काम के लिए ना,
हम्म,
तो वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि हम आपको अभी हेल्प नहीं कर सकते, अभी हमारे पास टाइम की थोड़ी शॉर्टेज है,
ओके,
सो हम आपको अभी हेल्प नहीं कर पाएंगे।
हम्म,
तो वही मैं आपको कह रहा था कि आप तब तक अपना थोड़ा सा रिफ्रेश कर लीजिए, रिवाइज कर लीजिए, डॉट नेट सीक्वल कुछ आप पढ़ सकते हो तो,
ओके,
स्टोर प्रोसीजर कैसे लिखते हैं,
हम्म,
राइट, टेबल पे सिलेक्ट स्टेटमेंट वगैरह कैसे लाते हैं, थोड़ा सा आप रिकॉल कर लो, और आपने कभी
श्योर
पहले
श्योर,
काम किया है तो जल्दी याद आ जाएगा।
हम्म,
तो हम आपको जो हेल्प कर पाएंगे 1 अप्रैल ऑनवर्ड्स कर पाएंगे।
ओके,
तो ये एजेंडा है। तो
okay, I
अभी
will
तो
recall all things.
आ- हाँ, अभी तक आप इंडिपेंडेंट जो कर सकते हो अगर स्टोरी में, तो उतना करके रखो।
हम्म,
जहाँ पे आपको हेल्प की जरूरत है तो
हम्म,
वो हेल्प हम आपको डेफिनेटली करेंगे, बट आफ्टर फर्स्ट, या
okay,
मे बी ऑन फ्रॉम फर्स्ट।
okay,
ठीक है ना अतुल?
okay,
हाँ हाँ जी।
हाँ, क्योंकि अभी दो दो तरफ करना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा, और फेज 2 हमारे लिए प्रायोरिटी है। मैं ऑलरेडी फेज 3 की एक स्टोरी पे ऑलरेडी लगा हुआ हूँ, वो भी मेरा फिनिशिंग पॉइंट की तरफ है। तो सुनील देखेंगे,
okay,
कल सिचुएशन देखते हैं, आज तो डेफिनेटली नहीं, आज तो मैं भी बिजी हूँ।
okay,
हम कल देखेंगे, अगर कुछ सिचुएशन मेरी तरफ से लगा कि मैं थोड़ा सा फ्री हूँ और मैं आपको थोड़ा वो टाइम दे पाया, तो मैं आपको हेल्प करूंगा। अतुल तो डेफिनेटली नहीं, क्योंकि अतुल को मैंने, और अतुल और नेम को कल हमने डेफिनेटली डैशबोर्ड पे लगाएंगे कि डैशबोर्ड के जो इश्यूज हैं वो बहुत जरूरी हैं, उनको खत्म करना, नहीं तो क्यूए हमारा ब्लॉक हो जाएगा, और हम नहीं चाहते कि हमारा फेज 2 का क्यूए ब्लॉक हो। तो कोई नहीं, मैं शाम को जो है ना, विपिन से, पलक से मैं बात कर लूंगा
okay,
कि अभी आपकी थोड़ी सी लिमिटेशन है कि आप यूआई पाथ पे ओनली काम कर सकते हो, डॉट नेट एंड सीक्वल पे नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि आपको जो स्टोरी दी है उसमें डॉट नेट एंड सीक्वल दोनों इंक्लूड है। तो दैट इज बिकमिंग अ ब्लॉकर फॉर यू, दैट इज बिकमिंग अ चैलेंज फॉर यू ना।
yes, yes,
सो वी कैन से देम, सो वी कैन टेक सम टाइम,
okay,
बिकॉज इट इज ऑलरेडी ऑफ द फेज 3 स्टोरी, सो दिस इज नॉट अ प्रायोरिटी फॉर अस।
okay, okay,
ठीक है ना अतुल?
हाँ जी बिल्कुल।
हाँ, तो ठीक है। तो अतुल आप ऐसा करो, सुनील आप ड्रॉप कर सकते हो,
okay, thank you,
ठीक है? शाम को कॉल, अभी ज्यादा टाइम है नहीं, थोड़ी देर में हम डिस्कस कर लेंगे और आपको टाइम दिला देंगे वो,
okay,
ठीक है?
thank,
ठीक है, यू कैन ड्रॉप नाउ।
thank you,
यू वेलकम।
thank you, bye.
ओके।